Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be pretty much a collective makeup haul of some items that I've bought recently and some stuff that I've even tried, so I can even do a quick review on them. So without further ado, let's just get into it because we have a couple of things to go through. So I think I would have posted a couple videos back that I went to the Cosmetic company store in Sicily, where my sister went again and got me some bits and bobs. So I wanted to share with you what I got from here first and then go into other things. Now obviously, since I was there a couple of months ago, I knew what they had and maybe what I could have picked up there and then, but I did get a bit overwhelmed, so I kind of waited and then purchased now. So the first thing that I got was the Clinique. This is the Take the Balm the Day Off. This is basically one of those things that you need to have in your little makeup area section, vanity in your bathroom. This is the best balm ever. If you like the Body Shop cleansing balm, which I love, the chamomile one, this is like a bit more luxury than that, and this was on a really good offer. This one is the 1 to 5 ml and it was literally 21 euros. Now originally this goes for far way more, but to get that for 21 euros, honestly, I'm going to be starting to getting all my skincare stuff from Sicily when I go, because they tend to have the greatest offers. Currently the offers were, if I'm not mistaken, there was first an offer on the original price and then another 30% off. So this honestly was the best thing ever. Now I like to use this. As you can see, it's literally just a balm. Obviously you can't really see much because it's glaring again, but you literally only need a little bit, takes everything off, doesn't irritate the eye, and it's amazing. I do love Clinique stuff, and I also got a skincare set from Clinique, which is this over here. Now I was actually going to get the Moisture Surge in the 50 ml, and that was going to be about 21 euros with the offer and everything like that. But with this little gift set that my sister saw, this was 18.50 with the offer as well. But in here you get the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense, so it's not the original, it's the Intense. Basically between the two is the Moisture Surge Original is basically more leaned to the oily skin, combination skin, because it's got more of a gel-like feel, where if I'm not mistaken the Intense is a bit more for the normal to dry. Again, still can be used for both, but obviously that's the only difference. I am going to try the Intense, but if I feel like the normal one with the gel form is much better, I will go for that one. The Body Shop actually have the seaweed. I'm not sure if they still have the seaweed, but the gel-like form, Body Shop have the seaweed day cream, which is again the gel-like form, which I love. So that's a similar one if you're interested in finding something local or another alternative. In here you do get a Clinique All About Eyes, so I'm getting that an eye cream, and there's a mascara as well. So I'm guessing you buy the moisturizer and you get the 2 free gifts. Let me open this to have a look and see how it is inside, because obviously I haven't seen them yet. And if I'm not mistaken, this was cheaper to get because the moisturizer is as well 50 ml, where I was going to get the 50 ml moisturizer, the normal moisturizer, so it worked out cheaper to get them in this offer than to get the moisturizer by itself. So again, this is, again, see, 50 ml. I'm going to show you guys. So this is the Moisture Surge, the Intense. So again, useful for ideally normal to dry. Comes in this little pink little one here. As you can see, it's got more of that thicker consistency. Not much of a smell either. I did get this for my kit, to be fair, rather than for myself. But I probably will decant a little bit to try as well, because I tend to have oily combination, so I want to see if it's good for my skin. We have a little sample. This is a 5 ml of the All About Eyes Reduces Circle Puffs. So again, this could be really good to kind of just pop into my kit when needed. So this is the little sample size. Again, I mainly got these for my kit because they tend to get used very well, especially when you have all different skin tones that you're working on. So, and I think the mascara I might take for myself. This is the High Impact Mascara from Clinique. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to, if I open it then you kind of have to use it. So this is the box, right? This is in black, and just see if it's the exact same one. Yeah, so it's just a small it's a small mini mascara. This is how many mils? This is 3.5, so it's a really good mascara for the price. So for $18.50 we're getting pretty much a full size face cream and a little mini eye cream and a mascara for less than the price that you'd buy the actual moisturizer. So that I got for my kit. And let's see what else we have. We did get the MAC Stack mascara, and I've been seeing this everywhere. This is actually in Black Stack. This is from a collection, if I'm not mistaken. Not sure which collection, but again, obviously I like collecting things. I actually want to try this myself, hence why it's a collector's edition. So even if it dries up, I'm going to keep it to see if I like it, and if I do, I will get the original for my kit. These are expensive. These originally are 37 euros around about as a mascara, but with the offer at the store it came down to about 16-17 euros. So again, can't go wrong. It's pretty much the same price as a drugstore mascara when you buy from the cosmetic company store. So if you don't know about it, go do some research, because you get some really good offers. Now again, that's mine. That actually is better than using my pro discount from MAC, but they don't have a massive range. They tend to be discontinued items, collector's edition items, or like just certain items that maybe they just tend to have. Again, with Clinique and I think there's Estee Lauder and stuff, those tend to be normal prices and normal items. And they also had Jo Malone, so they did have quite a bit of things. But that's what I got from the cosmetic company. So I only got those 3 things because basically I do want to go in store and see what they have. With Maisie being only a month old, I might wait a bit before we do our Sicily trip. We're thinking either going in February or in March, just for a couple of days, so then I can actually go ahead and get some more bits and bobs for my kit and for myself. While she was there, she actually popped into the L'Oreal store and got me my hairspray for the face, as we call it. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second mist setting mist. This is claims to be 36 ml, 36 hour wear. I had to get 2 because if I like it, I want to make sure I've got another one. We're supposed to have it here in Malta. I haven't yet found it, but it's supposed to be available here in Malta. It's supposed to be, it's about 10 euros each. I got 2 because I need one for myself and one for my kit, because I'm not sharing this with my kit. I'm having one for myself and one for my kit. So that one, this apparently has been told to be a really good hairspray for the face. So we had to get that. My sister did get me a Vital Hydra Solution sheet mask from Dr. Jart Plus. I've never heard of this brand, but this was at the cosmetic company store, but I've never tried them before. So she got me one of those, and while she was in the L'Oreal store, I don't know why I paused the L'Oreal store and never went in it, but I'm going to make sure I go in it next time, because she said these were just €1 each, and this is a hair booster treatment, which is like acts like a mask. So I really want to grab some of these maybe next time when I'm there, because I love my hair mask and my hair treatments, and we can't go wrong with those. So let's see what else I've got. Moving on to 2 things my sister got when she was in Prague, was the Viral Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This is the airbrush flawless setting spray, party all night, stay all day. Now honestly, what I've been told is this is to be used to just kind of melt the powders with the creams and stuff like that before setting it with a proper fixing spray. So we managed to get the 34 ml. They did not have the large one available. Apparently it's viral everywhere, sold out. So I've got a mini one to try for myself and maybe for my kit, because I think it's a really good size for my kit actually. So I probably have to share this with my kit at the moment until I do get a bigger size. But this is a perfect size for the kit actually, because it's small and compact. But I always find the smaller sizes tend to be more expensive than a big size, so I always try and get the bigger sizes because they tend to work out cheaper. But then this I'm so excited to try. My sister's tried it because she got one for herself and she said she's loved it. So I'm definitely ready to put a full beat of face and trying this on and seeing what I think, because you know that this girl's gonna try it. So that was from Sephora in Prague, and while she was there was an offer on Makeup by Mario, and I really wanted to get some of his cream blush, but they didn't have the colors that I had seen online. But I did get the master mattes, and I did get this specifically for my kit because honestly I don't need any more mattes. I don't need any more neutral palettes in my personal stash. That's being very honest with you. I've got way too many P. Louises and stuff like that I don't need it. But this was on offer. This was I think reduced to like 35 euros around about, she said, when she compared it. And this was basically like my part of my push present for my sister. So she said just choose something that you want and I'll get it for you. So this is the palette. It's a bit messy at the back, but I'm not that bothered. So there's all the information on the back, and I'm just gonna open it. And there is the viral palette that everyone uses, especially bridal. I find that everyone on like all platforms use this particular palette for bridal and stuff like that, and I'm really excited. And I like that there's neutrals, but there's like a dark grey black, so I know that this can be useful on many skin tones. And I watched something recently of Mario, and he really went into detail why he created this palette, and I was very intrigued, and I know I needed to get this for my kit. And I still have yet to prepare my kit properly. I haven't done it yet, but we're getting there. So those two are from Prague. And then I did pick up some stuff from Salomone Aura, which was previously VJ Salomone, which was and previously SV Beauty, where I used to work, which have Max Factor and Rimmel. So I did pick up some stuff, but they also gifted me some things as well, which I'm going to mention what they gifted me. So this is the first item that they sent me to try, and this is the Max Factor Miracle Pore Skin Reset 2-in-1 Serum. This has 2% niacinamide and Bisabol, and this is in the shade 30 to 40 Fair to Light. I do have a video on this in my previous posts, me trying it, my first impressions. I do have it on very lightly today. This is gorgeous. It's a very light to medium kind of coverage. It's very good for those on the go kind of people. If you don't like a lot of foundation, if you want it to be light, this is the one foundation that you need. Then you can add on your product on top of it, so it gives you more of the natural skin like look, but then you can add on product as you want to build. So you can build your blush and your concealer and stuff like that afterwards. But if you prefer like a very light coverage base, that's one you can probably go for. This was another item that they sent me, which is the Rimmel London Multitasker All Day Grip and Breathable Primer. I have yet to try this, but this is a non-pore clogging with vitamin C primer. So I'm guessing this is new for Rimmel. I haven't yet tried it because I really haven't had time to do my makeup or anything properly, but I'm definitely going to be trying this, maybe with a new makeup kind of look. Maybe we do like a video on that. But I do have a few bits and bobs here to share with you that they kindly sent along with some items that I bought. So I did buy some eyelashes which are not in the box because I have already used them. They're somewhere down here. So I did get, let me see if I can get them for you. These are the lashes that I picked up. Obviously you can see I've already used them. These are the Underlash from Eyelure. They are amazing. I have used them more than once. I just like how they last about a week, and they're just very handy to have in your little personal stash. And sometimes it's really good to have maybe even in your kit. But this is another item that I picked up for myself. This is the Thrill Seeker by Rimmel. This is in the Pitch Black mascara. I have had the original and I really loved it. And I think I've actually bought 2 or 3 of those, but I haven't yet tried the Pitch Black one, which I wanted. So I picked up this for myself. And I also picked up 3 lip liners from the Rimmel London Lasting Finish lip liners. I did get I got some top-ups. So I got Spice, Tiramisu and Cappuccino. As you can see, they're very neutral colors. Let me show you guys. So they're very neutral colors. Again, Cappuccino is one of the best sellers, one of my favorites. Is that kind of taupey. If you like Stone from MAC, this is a very similar one. So that's that. But they also added some extras for me. So they've added some little samples of skin genetics, which I have yet to try. So we have one that's a moisturizing cream, and we have another one which is a youth cream, so I'm definitely going to be trying those out soon. We have a small Talgo Sauce Marine night cream. I think I've tried this before. I think I've had a full size of the Talgo one. I'm sure I have, because I did love having and buying the Talgo day and night cream. There was a time which I really loved it. We've got a Max Factor brow highlighter. This I have a few of them myself, so I might put this in my kit. This is really good to highlight underneath the eyebrow, so I might pop that in my kit actually, because they sent me one as well. And then they also sent me the new Hello Sunday tinted lip balm. This is the mauve one. Now I've got the original, so I'm really excited to have the new one. So this is what it looks like. It's SPF 50. You guys know how I always talk about Hello Sunday and how I love the products. They're all SPF. So I do want to have a few of the Hello Sunday in my kit, because again, we do need SPF even when doing clients. And this one is going to be mine, because this one is the color that I would definitely be using for myself. This has got shea butter and hyaluronic acid. Obviously it protects you from the UVB and UVA, and it's got high protection. SPF 50. We have to remember our lips, guys. If you don't wear lipstick or anything, always make sure you use a tinted lip balm with SPF. So that is basically my whole haul with all my newbies from makeup wise, from pretty much everywhere. We have Rimmel, we have Hello Sunday, we have Max Factor, we have Makeup by Mario, Charlotte Tilbury, we had a few stuff from Sephora, a few stuff from Cosmetic Company. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There was a lot to go through. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's anything you want me to try or review, if there's something that you've seen in this video that you want me to review or give me my opinions on. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone.